Hello students, welcome back to the maths digital class. I hope you are keeping safe at home and you are doing your homeworks. Please continue doing your homework. Today I am going to deal with the answers of the previous exercise which I have given you already. This is page number 8. Although page 8 is not in your syllabus, so this is I gave you as homework so that you may practice. So these are the answers here. This is not the answer, and you have tried the number name here. So these are the numbers I have written as the answer. You have to write the number name of this. You don't have to write the numbers here. I have just written the numbers. You are supposed to write the number name of these. You are supposed to write the number names of these. So these are the answers here. Okay, I'll give you a screenshot of this. So here is you have tried the number. So this is you have to, I'll show you the answer here separately, but you have to reason this out. That is why I gave you this is a reasoning. You have to reason it. Say like some questions are 1000 less than 2282. So this is the way. If you write the numbers in the column here, if you make the column and you write the numbers ones, tens, 100,000, these are not the answers, but see, like here it says 100 more than 9,509. So I have written here 9,509, and then what it says 100 more. So 100 more is this. After adding 100 means you can see 100 is 1 and double zeros. So 1, only hundreds place you have to change, and the rest of the digits are 0. So only hundreds place you have to change. Similarly, where it says 1000 more, so only thousands place you have to change, and the rest of the digits are 0. Here you can see 100. Similarly, here 100 less. So rest of the digits are 0. Only hundreds place you have to subtract. And before that, obviously, this is 9,000. Like here is this F. I will show you. F is 9,000. So if we are subtracting 100 from here, 100 will be here. So this will be carried over here. Rest of the digits are 0. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. This is 9 here, and this has become 8. So this is our answer. I will give you a snapshot of this. And this is the, if you write in the column like this, I'll show you a big numbers, so that 66,006. So 66,000, how do we write here? This is 66. These are thousands place. 10,000 and 1,000. So this is 66,000, and hundreds and tens places are empty, and ones place is 6. So this is the way we write 66,000. This one is 96,000. Okay, so this I have just given you in brief. Now we shall discuss page number 11, because page number 11 is in your syllabus also. Now these are the answers here. It says write the place values of the circle digits. You can see 6 is in ones place, 2 is in ones place, 5 is in hundreds place. You see 0 is in tens place. Anyway, 0 will remain same. 1 is 1000 here, and F is 2. 2 is in ones place here. You can see these are the answers. I am just dealing with the answers. Now here the place value of 8. The place value of 8 everywhere. You can see here the place value of 8 is 8,000. Thousands place. Here 8 is 100. This is 100 here. Now here 8 is tens place here. So tens. Now here D8 is in ones place. So ones place here. Now question number 3. Find the difference between the place values of 7 in the number this. Now 7, there are 2 7s here. So 1 7 is the larger one. The larger number will be this, hundreds place. So 700, and the smaller one is tens place, so 70. So I have subtracted. Your answer will be 630. What is the place value of 6 in 76,018? So 76,000, the same way if you write how I have told you the column here, 76,000 if we write here, so our answer, the place value of 6 will be 6,000s, or you can write in the numbers digits zeros also. Now what is the place value of 1 in the smallest 4-digit number? So place value of 1, what is the smallest 4-digit number? That is 1000. So place value of 1 will also remain 1000. Now the 6th one, find the sum of the place values of 5 in the number 5005. So the place value of this 5 will be 5000. The place value of this 5 will be 5. So this is the way. Place value of 5, one 5 is 5000, another 5 is 5. So this will be the same. added, we get the same answer. What is the question? Same answer. Now 7th one, circle the 3 numbers in which the place value of 4 is the same. So we have to see which are the 3 numbers where the place values are same. You can see here the place value is ones, here it is tens, but here you can see here 4 is in hundreds place, here 100, here 100. So these are the three numbers where the place values are in hundreds place. Now the 8th one, circle the number in which the place value of 5 is more. Here you see the place value of 5 is which number it is more. Here it is ones, here it is 1000. So definitely this one. Here you see here it is tens, here it is hundreds. So definitely the hundreds one. Okay, so this is page 11. Now page number 12. Page number 12, you see this was, I have taught you already how to write the smallest and greatest digits. So these are the answers here. As I told you, when a 0 comes, the 0 has to be in the second place when it is smallest. Okay, 0 has to be in second place. Okay, if you write in ascending order, the 0 will not be in the beginning. The 0 will come only after one digit. If you write 0 in the beginning, this becomes 159. So but you are supposed to write the you have given 4 digits, so you are supposed to write 4 digit number. Okay, so this is the way. And here the smallest and greatest, everywhere the answers I have given here. Now here write true or false. The greatest 4 digit number is 9000. So this is wrong because that is 9999. So you should know what is the correct answer. If there is a true false, you should know what is the correct answer. So this answer is false. Now what is the smallest 4 digit number is of 1000. That is correct. The smallest number among these three numbers, 3131, 3003, 3300 is 3003. This is correct. Now the greatest number among these numbers is 8225. You see which is the greatest number here? Actually greatest number is 8252, because this is 52, this is 25. So when you compare the numbers, first of all you see their thousands place. Okay, this question I am seeing. First you see the thousands place. This thousands places are same. Actually first you need to see how many number of digits are there. These are 4 digit, this is 4 digit, this is 4 digit. Okay, so now you see the thousands place. Thousands place all are 3. Now hundreds place, this is 1, this is 0, this is 3. So in that case this is 0, so this becomes the smallest. Okay, so this is the way you're going to solve. Now write the answers of the following. Write the difference between the greatest and the smallest of 4 digits. So difference means, as I told you, you have to subtract. Now between the greatest 4 digit number is this and the smallest 4 digit number is this. So you just need to subtract. Okay, so 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is your answer. Now the next one, what number should be added to 7009 to make it the greatest 4 digit number? Now this is just, you need to make a equation like this. If you make a equation like this, you will be knowing what to do. So what should be added? What should be added to 7009 to make it the greatest 4 digit number? This is the greatest 4 digit number. So I have taught you in this kind of situations, this is positive sign. So if you bring it this side, this becomes a negative. So this I have brought this side, this becomes minus. So minus, then you subtract. So this will be your answer. Now C, the question number C, what should be subtracted from, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. What should be subtracted from 1 lakh to get the greatest 4 digit number? So this is also the same way. What should be subtracted from this big number? If you don't know how to count this is actually 1 lakh to get the greatest 4 digit number. So in this case, let me bring this side. Okay, if I bring this side and this side, as I have taught you before, so we need to subtract this greatest 4 digit number from 1 lakh. So let us subtract here. So this is carried over here, so 10 minus 9 is 1. This is already 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. This is 9 now, as this has given here. So this is 9. And this is already given, so our answer will be this one. Okay, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 90,001. Now the question number D. what should be added to greatest 3-digit number to make it 4-digit? Okay, our greatest, what should be added to greatest 3-digit number? This is our greatest 3-digit number. What should be added to this to make it a 4-digit number, to make it 4-digit? So 4-digit is 1000. So what should be? This is very simple. If we subtract this, this is very simple. Carried over here, this becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1 here. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is again 0. It means you are adding 1 here. Our answer is 1. Okay, our answer is 1. So these are, if your answers are same, it means you are doing correct. This is your homework. Page number 13, 14 and 15. For those who don't have the book, I'll give you the snapshot of these pages. But for before that, you check your answers from this. I'll give you a snapshot of this page also. But please don't refer the answers which are given behind the book. Please don't see that. Please do yourself and check your answers yourself. Okay, children? Have a good day. Thank you.